In this video, I will show you how to sync Google Notes with Apple Notes. Now, this is actually very easy, so let's get started. First, we need to open the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll all the way down until you see the Apps section. Then what you need to do is you need to locate the Notes app. So scroll a bit down until you find the Notes app and then open that. Then you need to tap on Notes Accounts, and then what you need to do is you need to tap on New Account. Here you can choose between different providers such as iCloud, Microsoft, and of course what we want, Google. And of course tap on Google, and then you need to fill in your email address as well as your password, and then you will have different settings that you can change. As you can see, here we see Gmail. So currently my mail as well as contacts as well as calendar are synchronizing with each other. But what we want is the notes. So all you need to do is turn on this notes synchronize option, and then what you can do is you can just synchronize your notes with Google Notes and Apple Notes. As you can see, when I open the Notes app on my iPhone, I have Outlook as well as iCloud synchronized with each other, which is very cool. So I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, please subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.